It's been a rough afternoon for stocks right here at the New York Stock Exchange as the Dow Jones has fallen more than 650 points intraday after Apple's lowered first quarter forecast, continuing to hammer the big board. Also, a weak ISM manufacturing read to 54.1, below expectations of 57.9, helping expedite the sharp decline this afternoon. Meanwhile, in the Forex market, the euro dollar seeing a rebound, and it remains in focus this afternoon as the pair is rebounding and stands above its 50-period moving average. Long positions above 113.40 are favored with targets at 114.20 and 114.55 in extension. The British pound US dollar pair sees the upside prevail, while the dollar yen, that's turning down. The Bitcoin dollar sees the downside prevail as long as 39.49 is the resistance. The pivot point for Trading Central, 39.49, while gold sees the bias remain bullish, remaining in focus. Gold rebounding above its support at 12.82 and should post further advance. Long positions above 12.82 are favored with targets at 12.95 and 1300 in extension, while silver supported by a rising trend line. Don't forget to follow Trading Central on Twitter and other social media networks for all of your Forex market updates, and for Trading Central Web TV. From the New York Stock Exchange on this Thursday afternoon, I'm James Swinney.